Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 2nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full down analysis on gold versus the dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold versus the dollar did have kind of a little bit of a bounce right here. And if you actually look at some of the correlated dollar pairs, which gold really doesn't always correlate with the dollar pairs that well, but most other pairs do look like they need to go up. So I kind of expect gold will go up too. I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here just in case we do get a very significant Fib bounce. We definitely should primarily still be looking for shorts, but I do think it is possible it will go up, maybe retest these highs. It could be an ABC. If it is an ABC, then it'll possibly just test the previous highs and go back down, or it could even end up being a 1 2 3, and if it is a 1 2 3, then likely it would just keep on going up. And I think that if anything, it would probably be a wave A of wave B on the much higher time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the trade setups at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.